Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new PDF generation library inside JavaScript, and it can be used inside server side and client side also. The name of the library is PDF-LIB. So this is, if you just search for this library PDF-lib, it has its own official website pdflib.js.org. It can be used inside Node.js and JavaScript, guys. So in this example, we will look at how to use this library in the browser side in order to generate a very simple PDF document. So you can read more about the documentation in the coming tutorials. We will discuss more about how to generate advanced PDF documents, how to add images, fonts, different kinds of things. So for this now tutorial, just create a simple index.html file, guys. As I created this, let me delete all this source code and start a simple template. And I give the title here, which is PDF-lib example to create PDF document. So just give it this heading, and after that, guys, we also need to include the CDN of this PDF-lib library. So simply in the script tag, you just need to write here script source, and then you just need to write HTTPS. It is also available in the documentation. You can include the CDN. So now you can access the PDF-lib library. So inside the body of the HTML, we will simply have an iframe tag. We will give it an ID of PDF, and we will give it a style attribute. We will give it a width of 100% and a height of also 100%. So that's all. And right here inside the custom JavaScript file, guys, we will basically invoke a function which will be create PDF. So this function we need to write here. So this function will be async create PDF. So inside this function, guys, what we will do is that we will invoke our PDF-lib library. In order to generate the PDF document, it's very easy. We just need to instantiate a new reference of PDF-lib. As this is a async function, as you can see, we can now use await keyword here, await, and then we will use PDF lib. This is the library, and it basically contains a method which is PDF document and dash create. So create is a method which allows you to create a document. After that, you create a page inside your PDF document by using this object. It contains a method which is add page, and then basically you just need to provide the location here inside this method. So I will provide the location here 50, 50. So it will add the page, and then we will move to, so move to, basically it's a function, guys. If you want to move uh, inside your PDF page, it takes two arguments. First is the x coordinate. Let me write here 100, and y coordinate also 100. So y in the x direction and y in the y axis. So after that, you can draw something on the page using this function which is draw text. So it is, now you will say hello world, this is sample document. So just something write this, and after that, guys, we now need to show this document inside our iframe. How we can do that? It's very simple. In order to show them in the iframe, we will simply first of all need to generate the base64 URI. For that, we will use a method PDF doc save as base64. So this basically, guys, it will generate the base64 string of the PDF document, and this take a property called as data URI, and we will equal to true. So this will actually generate your if I console log this and try to run this application, if I open this with live server, you will see the iframe tag will be generated. But if I inspect element, right click, click on inspect and go to console, you will basically see, guys, this is your base64 code of the PDF document it has generated. This is the mem type data underscore application slash PDF underscore base64. This is the base64 code of the generated PDF document. If I open that, you will see basically this is your generated PDF document. And what we need to do is that I just need to change, we need to provide here, whenever we add the page right here, we need to provide the width and the height. So this width can be 1280 into 720, and this is your x axis and the y axis. These are the coordinates. This is the width of the PDF document, this is the height of the PDF document. So this method add page takes these two arguments, and this argument it basically moves to the specific location in the PDF document. After that, we now need to simply embed this inside our. You can use document.getElement by ID, and we have given the ID to the iframe. We can manipulate the source property PDF data URI. So if you do like this, guys, and if I refresh here, and I just need to go to inspect here. I think some error has been taking place. Let me just see, guys. Let me match if I make any sort of mistake here. I get, oh sorry, width needs to be 100%. That was a mistake. Width 100%, height is also 100%, and create PDF. Document got get element by ID, PDF dot source is equal to PDF data URI, and const PDF doc await PDF-LIB dot PDF document dot create. This is right, PDF doc dot add page. So let me change this to 350 and 400. This is your width and the height. And if I move here 110, 200. So just refresh your application, open with live server. So you can see, guys, hello world. This is it is shown right here. If you see, let me paste this example. So you can see that, guys, now inside your iframe, this is a single page is there. If you see, only a single page is there. If you see in the PDF document, and this is actually hello world text is written in the PDF document. If I change this text, let's suppose hello world, this is PDF. So this will be reflected, you will see that. So if you want to add multiple pages, you can even add that also. If I say page 2, PDF doc dot add page, so 350 by 400. This is the width and height. And again, if I draw something, second page. So I just need to move here. If you see page 2 dot move to, and we need to move to this location in the center position. So okay, page document dot add page, page 2 dot raw text. So you will see this is second page, this is the first page which is written, this is second page. So now there are two pages available in the PDF document. So this is a very useful library, guys, PDF-lib, and we will make more videos about this in the future. So kindly please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. So this was a very simple example on how to use this library in the browser using a CDN. You just need to include the CDN here. You can use this library without having to write server-side code. It's a very good alternative to JS PDF library, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.